Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about the parts of a seed. So let's get started. So what is a seed? The seed is the part that grows into a new plant. There are different kinds of seeds. And now there are many kinds of grains that people grow such as rice, wheat, maize. These are all seeds, okay? Grains, pulses, everything comes under seeds. Now here, let's see some parts of a seed. First is the testa, that is nothing but the seed coat. What is this? This is the outer covering of a seed, and this protects the inner parts of the seed. It also prevents the seed from drying. So this outer covering is nothing but the seed coat or the testa. Okay, so and we notice a small scar here. What is this? This is a hilum. A hilum is nothing but a scar visible on the exterior of the seed. So if you look here in this picture, I have few seeds and you can all see hilum on that. Okay. Now next is the cotyledons. When we break open a seed, inside comes the cotyledon, that is nothing but the seed leaf. So here when we open it, we can even see the seed coat. And this white part is nothing but the cotyledon. They are leaf-like structures. They store food and provide nourishment to the baby plant. So before a plant starts growing, where does that particular seed get food from? It gets the food from cotyledons. Next is the embryo. So embryo is attached to the two cotyledons. So if you look here, this is the small embryo that we see, and there are two parts of an embryo. That is the radicle, that is the first root, and the plumule, that is the first shoot. So in the older classes we've learned about root and shoot. Root is the part that grows under the soil, and shoot is the part of a plant that grows above the soil. Okay, so let's see next. So here I did an experiment, so even you all can do this. Take a kidney bean and soak it in water for overnight, and then when you remove it you can see the seed coat and the hilum. Okay, then when you peel off the seed coat you can peel it off because you've soaked it in water for almost 4 to 5 hours. So you have two separate parts. So this white part is nothing but the cotyledon, and this removed is the seed coat. Okay, so this is my experiment, and now split that seed into two. Okay, and that will make the cotyledon more visible. And when you open it, here are the two cotyledons. Okay, and here you can see this tiny embryo. Okay, now let's see. Here is the radicle, the joint, okay, and the plumule is the part that is coming out. So the shoot is coming out and the root will be attached to the seed itself. Okay, so again I did this with a chola seed also. So here again, here is my seed coat, here are the two cotyledons, and here you can see the tiny embryo. And here I have a very interesting quote for you all. It says, "Be like a seed." Why to be like a seed? The tiny seed knew that in order to grow, it needed to be dropped in dirt, covered in darkness, and struggle to reach the light. So be like a seed, because you know that there will be people that you need to be dropped in dirt. You need to go through many difficulties in life as well, like how a seed needs to be dropped in dirt, it needs to be covered in darkness, and it needs to struggle to reach the light. So when it reaches the light, it reaches success. So be like a seed. You will face difficulties in life, but at some point you will finish your goal, you will reach your goal. Okay, so that was the end of today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Smash the like button and comment down below which activity you want me to do next. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Check out my other channel, Artzilla Pencil, which is linked in the description box down below. Thanks for watching and goodbye until the next video.